Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to review the Diorling mini bag. So this is a brand new bag that I saw pop up on the website and I thought, that looks like a good size. And sure enough, it is. So this is considered a mini bag. Let me see the measurements. I've got it right here. It is 7 by 6.5 by 2.5, and the website Dior.com says it fits a wallet, a card holder, both, a phone, sunglasses, and lipstick. And the strap length is 43 to 47 inches. The drop length is 20.5 to 22.5 inches, and the chain length is 19.5 inches. And what is this made out of? It is made out of black lambskin. And the thing is, with lambskin, I am very clumsy, so usually I scratch things up, but this one is kind of hard to scratch and, mess up. So let me just show the capacity of this bag. This is a small but mighty bag. It retails for $2,800. And let's see, my average things that I bring are my wallet, my card holder, my little pouch that I keep my contact lenses, lip gloss, Tylenol, eye drops. I have very dry eyes, and Band-Aids because I get blisters when I wear like flats, so I always have to bring that. So that is in my avocado pouch that I got from Squeezable or Squishy. I forgot the store. It was in LA. But let's see what fits in this bag. Going in. Keys, wallet, and then of course my phone, and everybody fits perfectly, and there's not too much weight. This bag is very light, and it's just falls right on my hip. Let's see if we can back up a little bit and show. I guess not, but it falls right on my hip. And you could also, you can remove the strap. The sales associates had to help me with the strap. So, because it was a brand new bag that came in, so they did it for me. I don't really want to mess it up and take it off. But this little chain is not removable, but you can also wear it as a shoulder bag. You can remove this, but I'm not going to remove it because it was kind of hard to put on. And yeah, this bag is just a great little bag, and it comes in pink on the website, it looks like. At the time, I didn't know that I would have gotten pink, but I have a nice everyday bag that I can just throw things in and not have to worry about it. So yeah, that's my quick 3-minute review on the Diorling mini bag, out now in the stores. So if you like this, I'm doing more bag reviews of everything I've got and talking about all things luxury. So if you like that, please subscribe and see you in the next video.